Hello my dear friends, welcome to this YouTube channel. Yes friends, today I'm going to show you my garden's hybrid guava. Please watch this video, don't go out without like, sharing, comment. Today I will show how to produce hybrid guava from the leaves of the guava plants. You can see over here. Enjoy this video, don't skip any moment. See and learn how to make hybrid guava. This is a highly profitable plantation you can do at any cost. This is not much costly. Sure that enjoy this. Before going to this, we need some leaf of guava, so that I'm taking some leaf of guava, and we need another pot like this. You have to take some pot like this, and in the pot you have to do some hole below the pot, and you can take this. I will put all the leaves here along with water, and the leaves should be mature, then fruit will come very shortly. Look at this, these are leaves. I have taken too many leaves, and I will show you. And look at this, we need some hole here so that water can penetrate through this. And we have to take some sand. This is river sand. You have to take the river sand, fill up this, and we have to put guava leaves here. I'm putting here. You have to do it is and after that you have to fill up with sand, and we need to take some water here. Look at this, and this process we have to do in a day, and after 6 or 7 days back root will come into the leaf. You can see this is a beautiful moment. Now this is ready for the plantations. We can do plantation and we can do cultivation, but we have to use the river water only, and the river sand. We need not to use artificial soil. Look at this. This is ready for the cultivations, and after that we have to take another brown color soil, and look at this. This is the outcome of the experiment. Look at the size and beautiful.